As American consumers and economists, we have to face scarcity on a daily basis, and in recent months, especially because of the government shutdown. Today, I want to talk about a specific good that American consumers are affected by every day. I'm talking about gas. According to BusinessInsider.com, the government shutdown took an estimated $24 billion out of the economy. They also say during the shutdown, gas prices saw a solid drop. Between the week of September 30th and October 14th, gas prices fell 7 cents. That 7-cent change in gasoline prices reduced the annual household consumption by roughly $7 billion. Gas is at its lowest in almost 3 years, with an average of $3.20, according to USA Today. All of that is soon to change, as some have already probably started to notice the rising prices yet again. Americans and car manufacturers really need to look more in depth to alternative fuel sources like ethanol, compressed natural gas, hemp, and even water. Cars can be modified to run on various types of alternative fuels. An example would be a car that is converted to run on used vegetable oil. Americans currently spend nearly $3,000 on gasoline in a year on average. That's money that can be spent elsewhere. The problem we are having, though, in getting these alternative fuel sources out there is there isn't enough car manufacturers making cars that run on these alternative fuel sources. And until we can get more interest from the consumers, we are just going to have to make cars that are more fuel efficient to try to accommodate for the high gas prices. Most car manufacturers now offer hybrid models due to the rising popularity of using less gas. These hybrid cars use both gas and electricity stored in batteries. Some of these hybrid vehicles get up to 50 miles per gallon, allowing consumers to save more than $1,000 a year. Now that's beating the gas prices. There are even now some cars that are fully electric. The only downfall with these hybrid and electric cars is the price. Car manufacturers need to develop more affordable models of these cars so Americans can have access to them. The auto industry has come a long way, but in order to go to the next step and eliminate the use of gasoline, the industry needs its consumers to buy more cars that use less and less gas. In conclusion, gas prices have fortunately been down for the past few months due to the government shutdown, but as the new year comes about, the prices are sure to rise once again. In order to try to defeat the rising gas prices, one needs to look at an alternative fuel source or possibly a hybrid car. Car manufacturers are working daily on developing new ways to power automobiles, and new technology will continue to be produced until one day we can find that alternative fuel source that can outsell gasoline.
Your gas prices suck!